going to show you how to make these cute yarn ornament hats with a paper towel or toilet paper roll and just yarn. They're really cute and easy to do. It's like a nice fun DIY yarn little activity to do during the holidays. Okay, so let's get started. I'm using a toilet paper holder and I'm measuring about 1 inch and cutting it. This is a little bit bigger than a paper towel holder. This is what you'll use for the brim of the hat. Then I'm using any type of cardboard, which I found on like a box of cereal, and I measured it about 5 to 6 inches. You can do about 6 by 6 or 5 by 5. And then I'm wrapping it about 20 or so times, maybe 20 to 25 times around. Now you're going to cut the one side of it, and these strands of yarn are what you're going to use around the brim of that paper towel holder or toilet paper holder brim that you cut earlier. Now take your strand of yarn and fold it in half, and then you're going to loop it around, and you're going to pull it through the loop, the 2 strands of yarn. And I'm doing sections of green and sections of red for Christmas, so I'm going to do 5 strands together of one color and then 5 strands of the other color. And you just keep doing that until it's filled all the way around. Okay, I have 5 of the green. Now I'm going to do 5 strands of the red yarn. So place all of the strands going into the opposite side so it creates the cuff of the hat, and pull them all the strands through. Now you can take a little rubber band or something to place it around the ends to create the top of the hat, and then you will cut the top of the hat cut the yarn to make it straight, and then it's going to start taking shape, but you can place cotton balls inside so it really takes shape of a hat. So take your scissors and make like kind of like a palm on the top of the hat, and then your hat is complete. And then you can take like a ornament hook or strand to hang it onto your tree. And this is what it looks like when it's finished. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.